So hello guys, today we'll be discussing about Lewis structure of calcium iodide, that is CaI2. Here you have to understand that calcium is a metal. Let me do this with another color. Calcium is a metal, and now iodine, which is represented by I, is a non-metal. So when metal and non-metal combine, that becomes an ionic compound. So let's see how to draw this Lewis structure of calcium iodide, that is CaI2. So let's take calcium first here. If you know the valence electrons of calcium, they are just 2. Whereas if you know the valency of iodine, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 7 valence electrons for iodine. Not just one iodine, but we have 2 iodines over here. So that is CaI2. So let me draw another iodine over here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here you can see both the iodines have 7 valence electrons, and calcium being this metal and iodine being a non-metal. Here you have to understand that in ionic compounds, one has to give away the electrons and other has to accept the electrons. So here by now you must be understanding that this calcium, which is the metal, will be giving the electrons to this iodine. So one valence electron of calcium will be going to iodine and another valence electron of calcium will be going to this second iodine. So here you know in this chemistry subject, if any metal or any atom, when losing electrons, it will become plus, it will become positive, whereas iodine, both the iodines here which are gaining the electrons, they will become negative. So here you have to understand that calcium Lewis structure, when drawing like this, it should be 2 plus. You have to denote with plus because calcium lost its electrons, whereas this iodine gained the electrons. So the left side iodine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Calcium has positive +2 charge because it has given its 2 valence electrons to both the iodines, and hence these 2 iodines will be having 8 electrons around them and they have attained their noble gas configuration. But here iodine will have -1 and this will also have -1, and since this is +2 and -2, this whole compound will be neutralized. So CaI2 is the calcium iodide compound, and yeah, this is a metal and these two are the non-metals. So that's how you have to draw the Lewis structure of calcium iodide. If you think this video is good and you have understood it better, then please leave a like on my video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.